In a neon galaxy kitchen, Rihanna storms the counter as a surfing penguin stacks glow in the dark burgers. They unveil a cosmic taco pizza mashup, where pepperoni meteors sizzle on a crust that glows like starlight. A tongue-in-cheek narrator teases you won't believe which planet inspired the sauce and what comes next. The penguin flips a molten cheese Comet while Rihanna drizzles Comet caramel, and the crowd erupts in playful roars. Stay till the end to see the dessert Comet float above the plate and vote which duo should reappear.